Hey there, welcome to another exciting video. My name is Anna.
And my name is Kevin.
और मैं अदिति हूँ.
And we are all in AI avatar.
So the video you just watched, you're probably wondering, wait, is this real? It looks so realistic. Well, the truth is, it's not real. It's all AI. Yes, even I am also AI generated. Sorry guys, didn't mean to break your heart, but yeah, this is the reality now. So, in this video, we're revealing our channel secret that how we create our own avatar. That's mean you have to watch the full video. Alright, so we're gonna show you an incredible AI tool that's packed with everything you need to create amazing avatars. Say goodbye to switching between multiple tools for lip syncing, voice, or motion. With just one click, you can create a fully animated avatar all in one place. Whether you want to turn yourself into an avatar or design a brand new character from scratch, this tool gives you everything you need. But here's what really sets it apart. Your avatar doesn't just talk. It responds like a real human, with natural expressions, lifelike motion, and emotions that truly feel alive. And it doesn't stop there. With this tool, your AI avatar becomes a powerful asset, perfect for monetizing content on faceless YouTube channels, producing UGC-style ads for marketing campaigns, delivering AI-generated news updates, or even managing personalized sales outreach at scale. It's like having your avatar working for you anytime, anywhere. Okay, now let's talk about the tool. What do you need to do? Easy. Just hit the link in the description. It'll take you to the official site. The tool's called JoggAI. And yep, it's a fan favorite for making avatars. People love it because it's simple, fun, and honestly, a little magical. Now, all you need to do is sign up on JoggAI. Don't worry, signing up is super easy. Just click on Start for free, then sign up with your Google account or email, and you're ready to roll. Alright, so let me tell you, JoggAI isn't just great at avatars. It's loaded with awesome features that go way beyond that. You can create product videos, podcasts, topic-based content, even batch videos. And yep, it also gives you access to thousands of free templates. Basically, it's all about making things easier and helping your content shine. Since our video is about talking avatar, we'll keep it simple and to the point. First, I'll show you how to make an avatar video just by customizing a ready-made avatar. Next, we'll show you how to create your very own avatar, either by typing some text or uploading an image. Yes, your own personal avatar, to make things even more fun and personal. First things first, click on the avatar video option. Now this is where it gets exciting. You'll see a whole range of ready-made professional avatars. Whether it's for YouTube, marketing, or any other content, there's something for everyone. You can even filter by category and choose your preferred aspect ratio. Once you find the perfect fit, just select it. Next up, click on Edit Script. Here, you'll add your video script. But if you don't have one, no worries. Use the built-in AI writer. Just type a topic or keyword, and it'll generate a full script for you in seconds. Super easy. After that, select a voice you like. And if you want to customize it even more, click on Edit More to open the full editing dashboard, where you can fully customize your video. Here, you can add background music, subtitles, even premium ones, and fine-tune everything to make your video polished and professional. Once you're done with the edits, just hit render and then submit. Your video will start generating, and within moments, it's ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to BitNext, your go-to destination for incredible content. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more amazing videos.
Check it out, smooth lip sync, realistic movements, and a clean final look. That's how easy it is to create avatar videos with pre-made avatars. They're perfect for faceless YouTube channels, UGC ads, marketing campaigns, or even things like AI news and sales outreach. Whatever your goal is, there's an avatar that fits right in. Now that we've covered how to use and customize pre-made avatars, let's move on to the next step. Creating your own avatar video using simple text or even a photo. First, head over to the product page, click on the Create Your Own Avatar, then Text to Avatar option. Select a style for your avatar, we're choosing Professional. Then under Basic Info, select Adult for age, Female for gender, and South Asian for the look. Next, add a prompt for your avatar. If you don't have a prompt ready, no worries, Just get some help from ChatGPT or simply click on Randomize option. After that, choose the aspect ratio and hit Generate. That's it. Now, your avatar image has been created and it looks so much better. You'll see 4 different images of your avatar. Just choose the one you like the most and then click on Create Avatar. To add motion, simply type in a prompt to get started. If you don't have a prompt in mind, you can click the Randomize option or select any expression for your avatar. Once you're ready, hit Generate Avatar and let JoggAI work its magic.
Welcome to the future of UGC video creation with JoggAI. Just type your script to get started.
Wow! Just take a look at how amazing our avatar turned out. It's incredible, right? So, as you can see, we took a simple text and turned it into a professional, realistic avatar. And just like that, you can upload your own image and create talking photo video too. What do you need to do this? Go back on the product page, click on the Create Your Own Avatar, then Photo to Avatar option. This time, instead of typing text, you'll upload your avatar's photo. After uploading the photo, you'll need to provide a prompt for your avatar's motion. If you don't have a specific prompt, you can click on Randomize option, choose any expression based on your avatar's motion to get things started. After that, pick a voice that fits your avatar and click on the Generate option. And voila! Your avatar image will transform into a talking photo video in no time. Now, let's talk about how you can use your avatar in your videos. To add your avatar to a video, select the avatar and click on Edit Script. If you already have a script, just paste it here. You have 15,000 character limits, which is awesome. Once the script is pasted, select your preferred voice. You can also add your own voice. Now, after making all the adjustments, click on Generate. Give name to your file, select the aspect ratio, and then click on Render. Now, your video generation will start. Okay, so our talking photo video is ready. Take a look and see how awesome this turned out.
Hi, I'm an AI avatar made with JoggAI. You can create one too. It's easy and fun.
All right, let's talk about pricing. JoggAI offers a range of plans to fit different needs. If you're a regular content creator, especially working with long-form videos, the creator plan is definitely worth checking out. It's designed specifically for creators and teams with high video production demands, making it perfect for YouTube content, UGC ads, marketing videos, and more. And yep, you can start with a free trial, explore everything, and then pick the plan that suits your creative workflow. Just head to the pricing section and check out the details. All right, guys, we've covered all the basics in this tutorial. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and we'll make sure to help you out. To try JoggAI, check the description below, join JoggAI, and start your creative journey today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video with another exciting tool. Until then, take care and goodbye.